Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Back up your device to iCloud or to iTunes on the PC so you can restore later. Once done, make sure you know the Apple ID, password, and any two-factor device code. This prevents lockouts. Install or update iTunes or Apple services for Windows so the PC recognizes the device. Then connect your iPhone with an original cable. This ensures stable communication while you proceed to device removal steps. You now enter recovery and start the removal process. Put the iPhone into recovery mode, volume button sequence, or side button depending on model, so iTunes offers restore or update. Choose Restore to erase the device and remove the local activation state. This clears user data and severs the device from that Apple ID locally. If prompted for the Apple ID password during setup, try signing in. Otherwise, initiate Apple account recovery on the PC to regain access, since bypassing activation without credentials is not supported. You finish by completing the on-device setup and verifying the Apple ID was removed. After restore, set up as new or restore from your backup, and when asked, do not sign into the previous Apple ID if you intend a full removal. If activation lock still requests the old password, use the Apple account recovery flow on the PC or request a temporary bypass with proof of purchase. If nothing works, contact Apple support and provide receipt details so they can manually remove activation lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.